First new bike day in 3 years. My first time actually unboxing and trying to build one. Let's see how this works. Big old rotors. Maintenance kit. Read first and then unpack. Sweet. Shock pump. Allen key. Well, big Allen key, little Allen key. Front chain ring? Or it might be something to put a disc brake on. Stickers, reflectors. Oh, it does come with pedals. That's cool. I mean, they're super cheap plastic ones. Tubeless conversion kit. Da, 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 da. Does have a little torque meter on it. Sweet. Finally save a torque wrench. I'm not a big hub sound snob, but I know if we went the right way. It's pretty quiet, but satisfying. And then the rest is all pretty basic mechanic work. Make sure the shocks are blown up right, put the pedals on, straighten out the handlebars. Haha. Yeah, gonna need to hardcore adjust my handlebars. But I mean, that's all housekeeping stuff from here. So I'm gonna go inside, grab some lunch, and come back out, and I'll get some beauty shots.